They are engineers. They are teachers. They are firemen. They are accountants. And when their country calls upon them, they are leaders. Have you always followed your own path? Have you always forged your own way? Do you want to be a part of a team? Do you want to make a difference helping those around you reach their goals? Do you want to be a leader? Then you should explore becoming an officer in the Army National Guard. Whether you have prior military experience or whether you're exploring military service as a new adventure in your life, becoming an officer in the National Guard may be the right decision for you. Officers are leaders and soldiers, and they help inspire soldiers to achieve their best.
The Guard gave me the hands-on experience to lead a team in any situation. I'm part of operations unlike anything in the civilian world. As an officer, I lead a team of people I deeply respect and believe in. We supply soldiers with whatever they need, wherever they may be.
As an officer in the Army National Guard, you have an exciting and rewarding career ahead of you. Officers in the Guard work in one of three areas. Combat arms officers serve in many roles, from large infantry and artillery operations to special forces working with smaller teams. Combat arms officers are also responsible for leading corps of engineers in civil works or even helping support and rescue operations in times of natural disasters. Another way officers serve is in combat support, which covers all the support activities that the combat arms officer needs, such as communication systems or signal corps, military police, and intelligence. They provide critical data to the field operations teams. Finally, officers serve in combat service support, which covers all organizational and logistical planning needed to keep operations running, such as administration of personnel, supplies, transportation vehicles, and more. As an officer, you acquire knowledge and experience that can help you succeed in the Guard. Your Guard training also builds positive qualities, giving you a strong sense of professionalism and a practical knowledge that can be beneficial to you in your civilian career. As an officer, you serve 1 weekend a month and 2 weeks a year, training to be ready for whenever your community or your country needs you.
When I'm not training, I spend my time with friends and family. The Guard fits very well into my life. I go to college, and the training helps me exceed at everything I do. Now, when I go to get a job, I will stand out from the competition.
The path to becoming a Guard officer includes ROTC, which is a course taken during college years, or OCS, Officer Candidate School, which is a training school open to those with prior service experience or those already enlisted in the Guard. As a Guard officer, you learn more than just how to do your job. You learn how to think fast under pressure and how to be a leader. You can be part of an elite group of talented men and women that lead the world's most powerful military force. Are you ready?
For more information, contact your local recruiter today by visiting NationalGuard.com or by calling 1-800-GO-GUARD.